Cindy goes to school. The golden sun rose and birds started chirping on the trees. Mommy Rabbit called, "Wake up, Cindy, it's time for school." Cindy dressed up quickly and got ready for school. Cindy boarded the school bus and went to school with her friends. In the classroom, the teacher taught ABCs. The bell rang. Hooray! It was time for the pool. Cindy jumped in the pool, and so did Bobby the cat and Nick the pig. After a busy day, Cindy came back from school. Mommy hugged her tight and asked about her day at school. While having food, Cindy told Mommy all about her fun day.